Have you ever felt like you're shouting into the void, trying to reach your bank and getting absolutely nowhere? Like your money's trapped in a digital labyrinth, and the only escape is a maze of automated menus and endless hold music? Yeah, me too. Especially when it comes to those newer, tech-forward banks, the ones that promise seamless online experiences but can leave you stranded when you actually need a human voice. You know, the kind like Relay Bank. Look, let's be real. We're living in a world where everything's supposed to be instant. Instant messaging, instant delivery, instant access to information. But when it comes to our finances, instant often feels like a cruel joke. You need to dispute a charge? Account frozen? Something's just plain wrong? Suddenly, that sleek app experience turns into a digital brick wall. And let's face it, finding the right contact information for these online-first banks can be like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. You Google it, you get a million results, some outdated, some just plain wrong. You click through to the bank's website, and you're met with a labyrinth of FAQs and help articles. Helpful? Sometimes. But when you need to talk to someone, a real person, it's a different story. So, you're here because you're asking the same question I was: how do I actually contact Relay Bank? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the different ways you can reach Relay Bank, cutting through the noise and getting you the answers you need. First things first, let's start with the most obvious place, the Relay Bank website. Most banks, including Relay, will have a dedicated help or contact section. This is your first port of call. Look for a Contact Us or Help link, usually located in the footer of the website or within your account dashboard. Now, here's where things can get a little tricky. You might find a variety of options, including live chat. This is often the fastest way to get in touch. Look for a chat icon, usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. Be prepared to wait, though, as chat queues can sometimes be long. Email support. If your issue isn't urgent, you can often email Relay Bank's support team. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible in your email to help them resolve your issue quickly. Help Center/FAQs. While not direct contact, the Help Center can be a valuable resource. Search for keywords related to your problem. You might find an answer without having to contact support directly. Next, let's talk about the mobile app. If you're using Relay Bank, you're likely using their app. Many banks now integrate customer support directly into their mobile apps. Look for a help or support section within the app's menu. Within the app, you might find in-app messaging. Similar to live chat, this allows you to communicate with support directly through the app. FAQ section. The app may also have a built-in FAQ section. Callback requests. Some banks offer the option to request a callback from a support agent. Now, for those of you who prefer to speak to a human, the phone is still a viable option. But finding the correct phone number can be a challenge. You can try searching the Relay Bank website for a phone number. Look for a Contact Us page or a support page. However, some online-only banks might not prominently display a phone number. If you cannot locate it on the website, you can try searching general search engines for the number. Here's a quick checklist of what you should have ready when contacting Relay Bank. Your account number. This will help the support agent quickly identify your account. Your personal information. Be prepared to verify your identity. A clear description of your issue. The more details you provide, the faster the support agent can help you. Any relevant transaction details. If your issue involves a specific transaction, have the date, amount, and merchant information ready. So, to recap, here are the main ways to contact Relay Bank. Website. Look for the Contact Us or Help section for live chat, email support, and FAQs. Mobile app. Check the app's menu for in-app messaging, FAQs, and callback requests. Phone. Search the website or general search engines for the phone number. Remember, patience is key. Customer support lines can be busy, especially during peak hours. Be polite and professional when communicating with the support agent. They are there to help you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.